Have you ever wondered how those clear aligners actually work their magic to create a perfect smile? Well, it's not just a piece of plastic, it's a full-on, high-tech journey. So today, we're going to go behind the scenes and see exactly how your future smile gets digitally mapped, planned, and even printed. Let's dive right in.
Okay, first things first, let's talk about the one part of traditional orthodontics that almost everyone dreads, the impression mold. You know what I'm talking about, that cold, gooey putty that they stuff in your mouth and it makes you feel like you're gonna gag? Yeah, that. It's just a universally uncomfortable experience. But what if we could just get rid of that whole messy step completely?
And this right here really shows the night and day difference. On one side, you got the old way. It's messy, it's uncomfortable, it can have distortions, and you have to physically ship it to a lab. But on the other side, a modern 3D scan. It's just a clean, comfortable digital wand that creates a perfect model of your teeth in just a few minutes. We're not just talking about a small improvement here. This is a completely different league of precision and comfort.
Now, this massive leap forward is all thanks to something called the digital workflow. This is basically the engine that powers all modern orthodontics. And right here in Pakistan, companies like ClearPath are really pioneering this tech, bringing together global innovation with local, in-house manufacturing.
So what exactly is a digital workflow? Well, think of it like this. It's using computer-based tools for every single part of the process. From that very first scan of your teeth all the way to creating the final aligners, software's guiding everything. This gets rid of all the guesswork and brings in a level of precision that was, just impossible before.
Okay, so how does this whole journey actually kick off? It all starts by creating this incredibly detailed digital blueprint of your mouth. And this isn't just about your teeth, it's about designing your entire smile.
The process really begins with two key steps. First step is the digital smile evaluation, which, believe it or not, looks at your whole face, not just your teeth. And then comes that awesome 3D dental scan we just talked about. Let's break down how each of these actually works.
So, before a single tooth is even planned to move, your orthodontist is analyzing high-res photos of your face. They're looking at things like your facial balance, your smile line, and how your teeth fit your unique features. See, the goal isn't just to get straight teeth. It's to create a smile that looks natural and totally harmonious for you.
And then comes the really cool part. A small, handheld scanner is just gently moved around your mouth, and in minutes, literally minutes, it captures thousands of images. And the best part? You can actually watch on a screen as this perfect 3D model of your teeth just comes to life. No mess, no gagging, just pure, fascinating technology at work.
So, once we have that perfect digital model, we move into the planning phase. And this is where artificial intelligence and your orthodontist actually team up to design your entire treatment, from the first day to the last.
What's so amazing here is the collaboration. The AI analyzes that 3D model and suggests the most efficient path for every single tooth to move, even predicting how it's going to respond. But, and this is key, it's not on autopilot. An experienced orthodontist, the human expert, comes in and reviews, refines, and perfects that plan for your specific case. It's this incredible blend of AI power and human expertise that makes the treatment so predictable and so effective.
And here is the single biggest payoff for you as the patient. The software can create a virtual simulation of your entire treatment. You can literally see a preview, a video, of what your final smile is going to look like before the very first aligner is even made. I mean, that's not just motivating. It builds a massive amount of confidence in the whole process.
All right, once that digital plan is approved and locked in, it's time to turn that virtual blueprint into a physical reality. This is where the digital workflow moves from the computer screen into the lab for some seriously precise manufacturing.
Now, for ClearPath, all of this happens locally at their facility in Lahore, Pakistan. And having that in-house control, that's a huge advantage. It means faster service, direct communication with the lab, and the ability to guarantee top-notch quality at every single stage of the game.
The manufacturing process itself is like a high-tech ballet. First, high-res 3D printers create a whole series of perfect physical models of your teeth, one for each stage of treatment. Then, a sheet of medical-grade plastic is perfectly heat-formed over these models. And finally, each aligner is robotically trimmed for a super smooth, comfortable fit before it goes through a final human inspection. It really is a fusion of automation and craftsmanship.
This entire process really stands on three crucial pillars. First, there's precision. We are talking about micron-level accuracy here. That means each aligner is crafted to a tolerance that's thinner than a human hair. Second is accuracy. making sure the aligner does exactly what the orthodontist plan intended. And finally, consistency. Automation pretty much eliminates human error so you get reliable, predictable results tray after tray after tray.
Okay, so all this technology is obviously fantastic, but what does it actually mean for the people involved, both the patient wearing the aligners and the doctor who's managing the treatment? Let's break down why all this matters.
So for you, the patient, it just means a way more comfortable experience from day one. The aligners fit better, which usually means more efficient and sometimes even faster treatment. And of course, there's the huge confidence boost you get from seeing the final outcome ahead of time and wearing aligners that are practically invisible.
And for the doctors? Well, the digital workflow is an absolute game changer. It makes their job more efficient, it leads to incredibly predictable results, and it gives them total digital control to fine-tune every little detail of your treatment. And let's be honest, when your doctor is more confident in the process, you can be too.
This technology is already amazing, right? But it is not standing still. The digital evolution in orthodontics is really just getting started. So let's take a quick peek at what might be just around the corner.
So today, we have AI-assisted planning. In the very near future, we're going to see more cloud-based collaboration between doctors and labs, maybe even AI that helps monitor your progress remotely from home. And then further out on the horizon, we might even see real-time, on-demand aligner fabrication. The pace of innovation here is just so exciting.
You know, when you see the incredible precision, the comfort, and the predictability that this digital workflow offers, it really makes you think. With this level of technology now available and accessible right here in Pakistan, you kind of have to ask yourself, are we talking about the future of orthodontics? Or is the future already here?